So guys, get ready to learn how to recreate our family recipe of the most easy and delicious baklava I have ever tried. Keep watching.
Oh yeah.
Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I have my most special guest ever, Dr.Daddy Cool, and we're going to do a really fun video where Daddy Cool is going to teach us how to create baklava. It's an amazing Arabic sweet that we grew up making at home, especially when we used to live in the States. My dad used to make it all the time. My mom used to make it all the time. And true story, they actually used to make it and sell it for like charity to help people out. So it's something that we grew up doing all the time. It's amazing, super delicious. Excited, Daddy Cool?
Of course.
Let's get started.
Let's
You're gonna reteach me how to make this because I
Okay.
forgot.
Time is to start.
Woohoo! How did you learn how to make it? Who taught you?
Well, baklava is very sweet, and of course everybody like it, and we usually to buy it outside. So we investigate how to make it. So we start to making it, and then of course sell it outside, and send the money for the charity for Iraqi children or for other charities. So let's start with the ingredient.
We're going to use some phyllo pastry leaf, melted butter, crushed walnuts, cardamom, cinnamon, and brown sugar. So those are the ingredients you need. So they're not too many, super simple, and they don't take very long to prep as well, which is why I love making this because I'm not good in the kitchen. And next we're going to talk about the steps you have to do to make the baklava. So Baba, can you tell us what's step number one?
Step number one, you take the walnut, make it actually just crushed, but not too much crushed to be very like powder. Then we have the cinnamon powder and the, of course, cardamom powder.
So we're gonna mix all the cinnamon with the crushed walnuts. So I'm gonna slowly put in half.
Yeah, okay,
And
that's good.
stir it, and then you tell me if we should add some more.
You can put more, yeah.
Put all? Do you want me to put all of it?
Yeah, okay, that's enough. That's enough.
Enough? Okay. If you put enough, it looks
Okay,
brownish.
so we put cinnamon powder.
Yeah.
Now we put cardamom powder.
Okay, so how much do I put in?
Two big spoons, actually.
2 big spoons?
Yeah.
It's very Iraqi, right? Hail in Iraq, what do they call cardamom? Hail, right?
Yeah. 3 spoons, big spoon sugar.
You wanna do it?
You can do it, class. I have a lot of work to do later on. Do you have to do this, please, okay?
Okay, so now I'm gonna mix this up.
Okay. If you like, instead of walnut to put pistachio, you do same thing. You just actually crush it a little bit and add cinnamon powder and the cardamom powder and, of course, brown sugar.
Okay, so what do we do next?
The stuffing is ready. Now what we do, this is the phyllo. You take 2-3 pieces together. If I can.
Do you want help?
No, let's see.
I remember this from when we were kids. And I remember you lay it
That's
out.
why I'm doing today,
you
so
take
to
the
remember.
butter and you like make sure it's like really nice and like greased up. And then you take this crushed mix, put it in, and like wrap it up like a shawarma. Let's see how this
So
goes.
this is actually put the, no.
You think we need more than one?
No, 2 years better. So we
2?
put 2 together here. You will see why. And then you put the butter here.
So, okay. It's a lot of butter.
Yeah, you just do one.
I wonder how.
And then you come with the stuffing. You need to spread it on the edge here, like you put. Wrap it tightly because otherwise we'll be opening.
I remember how they wrap it.
Okay, now next one you will do it.
He's very bossy.
Yeah, I like you.
So we're gonna do this one. Yeah. The last time I did this was probably in Tennessee when I was like 12 years old, I think. Do you remember, Baba?
Yep.
Who taught you how to make baklava?
My mom.
So your mom taught you?
Yeah. Okay, put the stuffing
then-
now.
Okay. All right, so here you go. And then you taught mom and she taught you as well?
Yeah.
That's interesting. Okay, so I put it right here, right? Why did you stop making baklava? I remember you used to make it all the time in Tennessee,
No time.
and then you just stopped.
I'm working with Huda Beauty. No time.
No, but even no, because hold on one second. Because it was all sugar and I wanted to mix the nuts and the sugar. Hold on. There you
Did
go.
I put that much? Okay.
Yeah, I think you did.
Okay, يلا
Did you not?
خلاص.
Okay, hold on.
Roll it, tiny, roll it.
So I'm rolling the phyllo dough
Yeah.
and the nuts, and I'm just trying to keep it as tight as possible. I remember doing this as a kid and like being so nervous. But yeah, it's actually really fun. And then put it over
Excellent,
here.
excellent. MashaAllah,
And
MashaAllah. Good
You have to
job.
cover it with butter, right, Baba?
Yeah, every time you need to.
Add a little bit of butter on top.
And then obviously when you finish all this, you cut it, make it like, okay, rainbow color. In the oven, you have to leave it maybe 20 minutes to become brownish at 350 temperature. The brown, you get it out.
Look at this, guys. Don't you want some of Daddy Cool's baklava? It looks amazing. So the last step, we're gonna pour on some sugar syrup, and it's just like a really nice topping. You can go really lightly.
Pistachio powder.
You could add
slice.
some pistachio powder on top too if you'd like. And this is just the last step to make it really nice and sweet. And the amount you want to add is just based on your taste and your preference. So you can go light or you can go really heavy. Typically, people in the Middle East, we like it really nice and sweet and overly saturated with sugar syrup. So, all right. So,
Yeah.
shall we try it together?
Yeah.
Here you go, Bubba. You take. Oh, it's falling apart.
Mm-hmm.
I want a coffee with it.
Mmm.
Mmm. So good. And so many memories.
Yeah.
I love it. Okay, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video with my special Daddy Cool. And you know, he loves the camera. So we'll probably be doing a lot of videos together. For our quote of the day, what would you like to say, Daddy? Since we're talking about sweets and dessert and indulging, life is short, have dessert first.
Hallelujah. Enjoy.
All right, thank you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Comment down below if you guys have any feedback, if there's any desserts or recipes you think we should try to make, maybe in Daddy's kitchen. And please don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well as Dr. Daddy Cool's channel. We love you guys so much. Bye.
Bye-bye.